kidding me right now?
I don't want to get sick because I got to work every day. Or just get in the car and let's go home. Right now. High five.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, yeah. Oh! Oh my god! That shot like that!
First I was doing this, then I just got done with this. Now I'm all, whoa.
Do you want another pizza that I can cook?
It's a fresh one.
Hey! No! 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 Shut up!